Now what are we eating? This is vegetables and chicken. Vegetables and chicken. All finely mulched and then strained. Num num. Want some more? Frederick. Hi. Want some more? What are you trying to say? You're not bored, are you? Oh, you found some banana. How about you just pull that out of your pants? Ew. You guys more? Frederick. Freddy. You guys more of this? Here you go. Banana. We did things backwards, didn't we? We had fruity dessert first. You want some of this? And then main course second. We can do whatever we want. Yeah. That's right. Got some more? Pulling the Canadian stun muffin there. Excuse me. Want some more? No? Ooh, you found a piece of banana. Eat it. Better eat it quick before it gets away. Hmm? Hmm? Oh, you almost got that in the forehead. Here, direct your mouth over here.